Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're not inside, we're outside because outside is such a beautiful day and I've been waiting so long to do this video for you guys. We're going to roast some yam and corn with baked beans and cabbage. Guys, you know the drill already. Stick around, you don't want to miss this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and put on your post notification bell so you don't miss an episode when we post our next video. Now we are going to do some sweet potato and yellow yam. So we are going to start with the yam first and then we take it over to the other stuff, right? Alright guys, so the nice yellow yam. So if you pass through Trelawney guys, you would see vendors selling roast yam and saltfish with cabbage. Now we're not going to do no saltfish around here, so today we are going to do vegetables. Now guys, this is such a nice meal. Now if you don't have a cold pot, you can always use a rim. Right guys, you have to be resourceful and all of these things, and if you don't have one rim, just put two stones together and make your cold pot. Right? So easy to do, well, to me. These will take a little time to roast through and nice. People have roast yam with butter. Me I tell you, so when I was pregnant, I used to love roast yam and butter. My God, me drive from my yard, go straight to Trelawney, go buy yam. You have Trelawney yam. All of these type of different yam, man. Wow, that's what make our culture different and nice, right? Alright guys, so I had changed a plan. I had to take the yam off the grill and just put it in the cold pot because it was taking too long. So if you're gonna do that, be very careful. Just put in the rest of roast potato. This one starts have steam coming through it, so that means saying the tool far from roasting. Why? Hot. Alright guys, we are go ride and whistle. We have the roast yam down here, so roast, and we are going to deal with the vegetable and the baked bean. Now I want to roast the corn as well, but me no want to do it yet because I don't want it to overcook, right? So we are going to just rest them right at the grill here, so, and deal with the rest of stuff. Alright guys, what I do now, I try to turn the yam with the knife. So it's coming on really lovely. So I'm trying to get the heat so the heat can go and hot up the pot some more. Alright, we're going to go in with the vegetables now. We're going to start with the cabbage, right? So we have some garlic in it already. We're going to add some tomatoes and onions. Still save some for the baked bean. Can make that stay. We are going to also put in some sweet peppers. Add in our scallion. And a nice Scotch bonnet pepper. Remember me always telling you, say don't use the seed if you don't like spice, just use the skin, right? Alright guys, we are going to add in the corn you now, making one roast. Yes man. You don't want to get them too crispy. Alright, so while the vegetables still sauteing, we're going to work on our pot for the baked bean. Alright, so add in your scallion. Your sweet pepper same way. Garlic. Your tomato same way. And onions. we're going to use the carrot in the cabbage, right? Alright guys, we're going in with our cabbage now. Give that a little mix up and thing. We still add the salt. Alright, so with over here, so now we're going to just add the baked beans. Remember, not because we're outside, still wash your baked beans in. Alright, now eat that, people. And wash it out with little water so you know the little gravy stretch for everybody. Yeah man, outside style guys. Yes guys, come to Jamaica. It's where the fun is at. You don't have to be around a lot of people to have little fun with your family, right? Still social distancing while we having fun same way. And we say fun and family time. Yes man. Over here it's a bubble up nice. This a go on chew and thing. Yes man, of them something I me like. Guys, I eat this, you know. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll show you how the yam come out so lovely and nice when I come back. Can go and bask in all this niceness here. Alright guys, after you remove this from the coal, you want to make sure you scrape it off, right? Tell us say nice and soft on the inside there guys, I not lie. I not lie. The yam now, you want to make sure so when you stick your knife through it, you hear the little crispiness going down in it. Right? That's how you know when it finished roasting. And you know you do the same thing. Scrape it off nice. Sorry for my black hand guys, but I love it. Alright, let me cut open one now and show you guys before we close off what's going on, what's really going on with this right now. See it guys, that this ding dong thing about the good things them. Whoa. Whoa. Nice hot yellow yam guys. I'm gonna peel it now and place it out for you guys.